Good evening, all. Thank you, sir, for introducing me to the learned audience. Uh, the profile, it seemed to be little lengthy, but the reason I'm here is not because of my profile. It is because I know our Somasundaram sir. Okay, nothing more, nothing less. So maybe after the session, some of the participants may comment that Somasundaram sir and the organizing committee has identified the right resource person for this session. Okay, so these things, whatever has been read, it is to show the audience that the resource person knows something in this particular domain. So thank you so much for having me in this wonderful evening. uh, Okay. And the topic, a very nice topic. Okay. Research workflow is there, but we need to manage that workflow effectively. And now we are in the AI world. We are in the transition of industry 4.0 to industry 5.0. There is an overlap. And this industry 5.0 is characterized by a lot of technological tools. In research also, we can use all these latest tools to streamline our workflow. The tool which we are going to use today, it is not the latest tool. It is one of the oldest tools. That's what I can say. But this tool will enable us to streamline our research workflow. I will share some of my experiences during the session so that some of the budding researchers can understand how this Mendeley will help us to save our time so that this time can be invested in some productive task. So with this small introduction, I will share my PPT. This session is not going to be completely a theory one, but most of the time I will be demonstrating using Mendeley. I'll share my screen. Is my screen visible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So our title says Mendeley for efficient research workflow. This Mendeley is a reference management software. Why are we managing our references, or why we should have references in our work? Now we have this citation and references. The citation tells our audience that we have referred so many other works, have that as basis, and we have developed our own work. So whatever the other work we have borrowed, that must be conveyed to our audience. Our audience are, in a PhD thesis, the university is the audience. The doctoral committee members is our audience. The thesis adjudicator is our audience. When we submit our articles to a top tier journal, the editor is our audience. The reviewer is our audience. Then the reader of our article is our audience. Always, our research work is not for us, it is for somebody else. That somebody else is our audience. So we tell our audience that we have followed a scientific approach in doing this research. While doing so, we have gained sufficient amount of knowledge that we are conveying to our audience. Whatever we borrow from others, it must be cited in our work. So this tells our audience that we have borrowed. It is not our own idea. It is from somebody else. Then what is a reference? The reference helps our audience to track the original source. Suppose our audience is interested in the work which we have referred, then our audience can easily track the original source and they can use in their work or they can benefit from that particular work. So this is citation and reference. This Mendeley reference management software helps us in this task, that is citation and references. And so the software is called as reference management software. In addition to citation and reference, give me a minute. Yeah. I'm sorry. Right. In addition to citation and reference management, we can use Mendeley to order our workflow. We can make our workflow efficient with the help of this reference management software. For today's session, we will be taking Mendeley. Yesterday or 2-3 days back, I have asked our sir to pass on one information, that is creating an account at Mendeley and installing the software. So I hope majority of you might have created an account and installed the software. So directly I will go to this Mendeley website and demonstrate or explain some of the features which will help us in our research. In the research process, one of the first step is to identify the broader area, then a topic with a broader scope, then we will start searching for the literature. This Mendeley helps us in searching the literature. So that is the first step. How can we use Mendeley for literature search? I will minimize my screen. I will open this Mendeley. I hope majority of you are familiar with this particular screen. Mendeley.com, www.mendeley.com. Here we have a sign in. First, I will sign in. I will feed my credentials, continue, then the password, sign in. All right. So I have signed into my account. Meanwhile, we can also download the software and install in our system, and that may go parallelly. Here in Mendeley, we have one search box. I am doing the search after logging in into my account. Now, my area of interest is, let us assume, management students' preparedness for Industry 5.0 technologies. To what extent management students are prepared to adopt Industry 5.0 technology. The broader area is 5.0 technology. Then the study population is management students, and the variable of interest is their preparedness. So we can type that in Mendeley search. Preparedness of management students for industry 5.0. So this is my phrase, a keyword or a phrase. I will click search. And we have only one article. Next Generation Learning in Education 5.0 at UITM. Next, what we'll do, we will only search for Industry 5.0. Right. So we have a lot of articles. You can scroll down. So first we will review articles related to Industry 5.0 or any other words also. Now I'm interested about the academic integrity of management students. Academic integrity of management students. Search. Yes, you have a lot of articles. To my left, you can see the year. In 2024, we have 17 articles. 2023, 69 articles. 2022, 47 articles. Among that, 434 are journal articles, 70 are conference proceedings, and books section 47, book 30. And these are the journals and these are the author. We have 632 results. We have 632 results. In that, 150 are open access. That means we have access to those 150 articles. The first thing is Mendeley has a research database from where we can download research articles. Like Google Scholar, we can have access to Mendeley database. In this, to my left, we can also filter. I am interested only in journal articles. So check this box, journal. Only these 434 journal articles are displayed. In that, we can also sort based on most relevant article, most recent article, and most cited article. I will click most recent. You can see this article is from IEEE Access 2024. Then Journal of Management Education article 2024. If we scroll down, then we can see from other years also. We have 44 pages. So this is how we can sort based on the recency. Then now we have 434 journal articles. Earlier we had some 600 something. In that 434 are journal articles. Now I want to display only the articles which are available for download. I will scroll down and select open access. Select open access. We have 125 articles with open access. You can see the number. The result is 125. Or the document type is journal article and all are open access. If you are interested in any of these articles, and the keyword is academic integrity of management students. Okay. Till this point, any doubt? Just we have opened Mendeley website. We have logged in using my credential and we have given a keyword, and for that keyword we have some list of references, and then we have sorted the references based on recency. Then we have filtered based on journal, that is document type. In our case, it is journal article. Then we have filtered only open access articles. Till this point, any doubt?
No, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Then we can add these. We need not download. We need not download. We can directly add these articles into our Mendeley library. So whenever we add articles, then Mendeley has this list of articles and it is called as Mendeley library. How we can do that? How we can add this article to the library? This is the first reference, a proposed model for improving the reliability of online exam results. This is not relevant to me. Challenges in implementing online assessment. Challenges, they have some academic integrity challenge. Yes, I need this article. Then just below the reference, we have this add to library. Just click this add to library. This article will go into our online account. Scroll down, or otherwise we can select based on relevance. I'll sort this list by relevancy. I'll click most relevant articles. Examining and improving inclusive practice in institutional academic integrity policies, procedures, teaching and support. Yes, I need this reference and I will click add to library. We have added 2 articles. Scroll down. Students' perception of academic integrity, a qualitative study. Yes, I need this. I will click add to library. We have added 3 articles. And the fourth one, academic integrity of university students. Yes, I need. Click add to library. I will scroll down. Integrity levels of Chinese college students. I will add this. And is there a glitch in the matrix? AI and management education. Is there anything related to integrity? Yes, integrity is there. I will add this also. So we have added some of the articles from Mendeley into our Mendeley library. Now, where is the library? I will scroll up, then minimize the screen. And here you can see library. First icon is search, then it is library. Now click library. The library is getting opened. I'll close this. Then these, please see to my left, all references recently added, recently read. Already I have a lot of articles in my library. So everything is displayed here. So to filter that, I will click recently added. To my left, lot of options are available. I'll click recently added. Then you can see here 522, 522 time, 522, 522, 521, 521, 521, 520. 2, 4, 6 articles we have added. So whatever was there in the database is now available in our library. We can click on this entry, click. Then you have this get PDF. Click this once. Then the PDF will get downloaded and it gets attached to this particular reference. In my case, it is showing an error. This is very rare. In an ideal case, the article gets downloaded the moment we click. Right. I will go to the second entry and I will click select get PDF. Okay. In ideal case, it has to download. 1 minute. Right. Okay. Next. Right. So whatever there in the library, sorry, in the database, we have brought to the library. From here, I will go to the software. So we have downloaded the software and we have installed in our system. I will launch my Mendeley. Okay, this is my Mendeley software. Here, I'll go to the recently added. Now see the timing. 522, 522, 521, 521, 521, 521, 522, 4, 6 entries. We have not downloaded, we have not imported, we have only saved, we have only clicked the button add to library, and now the articles are available in our system. So there is an interface between the online account and our software. To my left, the lowermost left, you can see one icon. This icon is sync icon. Whenever our system is connected to the internet and when we open Mendeley software in our system, whatever changes we make online, it gets updated automatically. In the same manner, whatever changes we make in our desktop, it gets updated into our online library automatically. Now we will go to our software. We will click this entry. I have clicked once. Then again, you can see this get PDF. We'll see what is happening. I will click once. Yes, uploading one file. The PDF file is getting downloaded into our system. So when I tried from the online library, it showed some error. Now I want this in my system and I click this get PDF and the article is here. You can read here in our system itself. You can read. Then you can see some of the tools here, a hand icon, a pencil icon, then a sticky note icon, then these colors for highlighting. We can click this pencil, then we can click any one color, red color. Then we'll see what is the objective of this research. This study explores the Chinese college students' integrity status and influencing factors to understand the best practices of Chinese colleges. Selected, then that is highlighted. Okay, so here itself we can read, we can highlight. Then please come to my right side, the right side of the screen, topmost right. You can see this info. The info is the information related to the article. Then annotations, whatever changes we make, that becomes the annotations. Then we have one more option called notebook, where you can add a title. Academic integrity in China, or among academic integrity among Chinese students. Then we can take notes here. Like we maintain our notes in the Word document or a text file, you can maintain your notes here. And why this is advantageous, how it can influence our workflow. I have some experience. Now I will read one article. I will maintain notes in the Word document. Then after some time, I forget what is the name of the Word file. Sometimes I forget where I have saved the Word file. First, I have searched for the articles. I have read and maintained the notes. Now I don't know where I have saved that file or what is the file name. To overcome such challenges in research, we can read and maintain the notes within Mendeley library itself. And whatever changes we make in Mendeley, all those changes gets saved automatically. Okay. If you want to add sticky notes, for example, this research, they have used mixed method design. You can select this sticky note And here in the fourth line of the abstract, the research design is explained. So what we can add is this research uses mixed method design. So academic integrity research, it has used mixed method design. Then you click here once on the sticky note. That's all. It gets saved. Then if you click again, then one more also is added. Okay. Next, so we have some comments here. We have notes here. We will go to annotations. I have added two sticky notes and two annotation is added here. I'll go to info. I will scroll down. Here you can see on tags. The tags are the unique keyword or a name we can give to this particular article. There is a plus sign. Please click that. Maybe I want to adopt this research design for my study. So I will give a keyword. The keyword is for my research or for my design. That is the keyword I'm giving. I have read this article and this methodology, it looks appropriate for my study. And so I wanted to use this methodology in my study. And this article has that methodology. And so I am giving a keyword. The keyword is for my design. I will close this. The moment I close, whatever changes I made, it gets saved automatically. Then the center, you can see one is cross, that close icon. Just click that. Then this article gets closed and you will be taken to our library. We'll go to the second article by Kramer Sorin. Is there glitch in the matrix? I will click once on this entry. Then there is a PDF file. So it is saying get PDF. Click that. Okay. I'll click again. Okay. Some error is happening. In ideal case, it has to get download automatically. I'll click this third entry, get PDF. Yes, one file is getting uploaded and this is the article. Academic integrity of university students during emergency remote online assessment. Yes. I will close this article also. Then here, the topmost right corner, we have one close icon that will close the information related to the article. Now come to this last column. The last column reads file. You can see one green color tick, the first and third entry. A green color tick indicates that there is a PDF file attached to this particular entry. That is the it is conveying to us that there is a PDF file. I'll go to the fourth entry. I've clicked once, get PDF. Yes, one PDF is getting downloaded and this is the article. Student Perception of Academic Integrity, a qualitative study by Journal of Academic Ethics. I will close this info tab. Then I will close this article. Then it will take us to the library and we have the fourth entry, a green color tick, which indicates that there is a PDF file attached to it. So these 6 articles, it was there in the Mendeley database and we have brought them into our library just by few clicks. Okay. Till this point, any doubt? I have demonstrated how to add articles into Mendeley online library. When we open the software, those entries are listed in our software library. Then we can click and get the PDF so that the PDF file is downloaded. We can read, we can highlight, we can take notes, and we can give a unique name to the article so that at later stage we can use them when preparing our research article or thesis report. Till this point, any doubt? Okay, I'm not getting the option of either get PDF or read. That means a PDF file is not available for that article. Open access is not available. In our case, we have downloaded or we have selected the articles with open access. Check if that article is having open access, or otherwise, like I faced some technical issues when fetching the article. You may also have that problem. Please maybe refresh and then you can try that. Is that fine? Any doubt till this point, whatever we have covered? Hello? Shall we move on? Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you for responding. Right. Next is, now I have my entire library. All this, I think some 2000 or 3000 articles will be there. Uh, these articles, you can see this third column. Third column is year. If you want to sort them based on year, like we do in Excel sheet, just click once on this year, then all the articles get sorted automatically. Now, some of these articles, they are not having year. That means Mendeley has not captured the details completely. In such conditions, we have to do manually. Okay. Then scroll down. The first article is in 2001, then 2002. Then we will scroll down and the latest are 2024 articles. So all these sorting options are available. Just click on the variable list, click on the author name wise it gets sorted, click on the year wise it gets started, click on the title, alphabetic order of the title, then finally added, you click on added, then when we have brought those articles into the library, accordingly it gets sorted. And the last one is file, you click that once, then these three entries are not having PDF files, click once again, and these entries are having PDF files. Then you have this star like a star rating, and this indicates favorite articles. If some of your articles are favorite articles, you can just click a star mark here. I will select based on this added, and I will say this student perception of academic ethics by Stone Anna is my favorite article. Click that once, then a star is added, yellow color you can see. That means that article is my favorite article. Suppose you want to delete a particular entry from this, then the first column you have a lot of this checkbox. I don't want this this article. I don't want this article. Examining and improving inclusive. I don't want article. Just check that box. When you check, then the bottom of the screen, bottom of the this software screen, you can see organize, mark as, copy as, export, move to trash. I don't want this article, so I will click move to trash. Then that item get deleted. If you have done that by mistake, then to my left, you have all other options. This option is trash. Click that once. Then whatever you have deleted, whether by mistake or intentionally, those deleted items are available. I have deleted this Davis Mary, examining and improving inclusive practices. If you want this back into your library, check this box. Then you have all these additional options. There you have delete permanently and restore. Yes, I deleted this by mistake. So I will restore this article into my library. You go there. What about all these articles? I don't want. Click this box in the top one. Then all the articles are selected. I don't want them. Click delete permanently. This cannot be, this action, you cannot undo. Yes, I want to delete, click delete all the items. The deleted items are deleted permanently from our library. When here you have all references, it shows all the references in the library recently added, then recently read, then your favorite articles. I'll click this favorite. Then I have marked so many articles as my favorite, and these are the favorite articles. Then, is there any duplicates? I will click this duplicates. Yes, there are so many duplicates, and it is shown here. Anjum, yes. Anjum, yes. Impact of internship programs, impact of internship programs. Then here you can see actions. Click actions. What you want to do? Keep this reference only or move to trash. Both are duplicates. Just click move to trash. Then one will go to the trash, to dustbin. Then we have here two entries. In that one is having a PDF file, other is not having. Action, move to trash, it will go to the trash. The same manner, whichever article there is a duplicate, then you can click move to trash, that will be taken to the trash. This is how you can eliminate the duplicates from your library, because as researchers, we use different databases. One particular article may be available in so many other databases. So when we use keyword and download the article, there are chances we download a single article multiple times. So you can eliminate the duplicate. And here you can see the message, duplicate set resolved. We have eliminated the duplicate. We can click and we can go back to the all references or library. Right, we will minimize this. I have demonstrated how to download articles from Mendeley Reference Manager. Then now quickly we will use any other database. Click this plus sign to add a new window. I will go to scholar.google.com. Then we can search using our keyword academic integrity is our keyword. Academic integrity, maybe you want to fine tune that. Academic integrity of management students. Enter. Yes, we have the articles. Right. Then, is this available for download? No. Then the second one, no, we don't have the access. The third one we have impact of academic integrity on workplace ethical behavior. It is related to the workplace, nothing to do with management students. But if it is of your interest, right click, open in new tab, then the article gets open here. Then you see the download PDF, click download PDF. Yes, the article is getting downloaded. Then we'll go back to the search, academic integrity and plagiarism, a review of influences and risk situation. It is a review article, and we have a PDF file attached to it. Right click, open in a new tab, academic integrity. Then Control F, PDF. We'll see if this is available. Google was telling it is available for free download. Okay. I couldn't see any download option. Read this article. Okay, it is not available for free, but somehow Google is misguiding us, telling that PDF is available at curtin.edu.au, but we don't have free access. Then this, we'll try this article, academic integrity of university students. Then it is getting open here. Verify human. We have a PDF, lot of pop-ups, PDF. I clicked once. Yes. No, I don't think we don't have the access. We'll go back to the download folder. This is download folder. We have downloaded one article. This is the downloaded article. I'll cut this and create a new folder. Folder academic integrity. This folder, and I have one of my articles here. So this is how we will download articles from any database. For example, Google Scholar. Then whatever we have downloaded, we will import this into the Mendeley software. I will minimize this. For demonstration purpose, I have one folder. The folder is I have articles related to academic integrity. I have articles related to ChatGPT. I have 13 items. 1, 2, 3, 4, 13 items. Please look at the file names. The first article, the file name is 1 hyphen S20 S1 some number. Then this also similar. The fourth one, just number 1923981. Then the fifth or sixth one is academic integrity. Then we have ALIS 4 plus formatted. Then we have ChatGPT 1. Then we have integrity, religiosity. Then finally, the last one has some full name. Use of ChatGPT in academic integrity hangs in the balance. I have downloaded using some keywords, and these are the file names. Later stage, because as researcher, we take one research project, suddenly some other task or work pops up, then we will focus on that, then we will forget our research. Then when we open that folder, we do not know what is the keyword we have used to download these articles. What we will do first, okay, let me open this PDF file and see what is there inside. And the title of the article is Generative AI and Future of Education. I will first rename all these files so that at later stage, it becomes easier for me to know what is there in this PDF. Then I can read. Next, I will go to this Barnhart 2016. I will see what is the title so that I can rename the file. It becomes easier for me at a later stage. Psychological teaching learning contracts, academic integrity and moral psychology. I will copy this, then go back, paste, I have renamed. During my PhD at Pondicherry University, we have access to lot of databases. The moment the research area, broader research area is identified or a broader research topic is identified, we used to download articles, n number of articles, download like anything. We'll go for some conferences there. If they provide access to the databases, then we will download. Just feed the keywords, download. Later stage, when we open the folder, hundreds of articles are there. We do not know what is the keyword we used. We do not know what is the article title there. Just some numbers, alphanumeric characters are there. And we spend a lot of time in renaming the files. This Mendeley software can name all these articles in few clicks. We'll see how that can be done. We have 13 items. In that, some of them are duplicate entries. This copy, wherever you see the word copy, they are duplicates. We will see how we can import these articles related to academic integrity or chat GPT into my Mendeley library. I'll tell again, I have a folder which has the PDF files related to my research topic. My problem is I do not know what is inside the PDF files. If I have the file names or the article title, it is easier for me to open the article, read, take notes, and use them in my research. But renaming them is a monotonous task. It is a time-consuming task. So we will use the software to do the naming part. We will go to the software. Then you see in the top leftmost corner, an option is called add new is there. Plus add new, click that. Then we have other options, import files from computer, import folders from computer. This import folder is to import an entire folder into Mendeley. In our case, we will select import files from computer, select that. My files are in desktop. Then the folder name is Kristu Jayanti Mendeley session, and the sub folder title is sample articles chat GPT. Then click on article, then select all the articles, click open and wait. The articles are being added. 13 files are being added. Right. These articles are getting uploaded. You can see the progress. Uploading 9 files, 6 files, 62%. And look at the time, 5:51, 5:51, 5:50, 5:50. Recently, these articles are added. And the last column, you can see the download arrow. The download arrow indicates that there is a PDF file attached with this particular entry. Now we have imported 13 entries. We imported 13 entries. First one is psychological teaching learning contract. Second one, use of ChatGPT in academia. Third one, generative AI. And the fifth one is academic integrity scholarship. Then testing the ability of teachers and students. Then students' acceptance of ChatGPT, integrity, religiosity, and gender. Then here, if you keep the cursor, then you can move this. Then you can see the complete title of the article. Again, if you click on that border line and drag to your left, get minimized. Then the last one, file, there is a download icon, click that. Then the PDF file, which is in your system, it gets attached to the Mendeley library. Here in this library, you can take notes, still loading PDF content. Depending on the internet speed, it gets attached to the Mendeley library. I'll once again, I'll demonstrate. I have my PDF files in the desktop. I want to bring them into my library. How to do that? Go to the software, close this. To the top leftmost corner, there is one option called add new. Click that. Import files from computer. Click that. My files are in the desktop. The folder name is Kristu Jayanti Mendeley and the subfolder name is sample articles ChatGPT. Select all the articles and then to the lowermost right corner, click open and the articles gets attached to your library. After doing that, to the right side, you can see these icons. Click that, then the PDF file also gets attached to the library. You can see one green tick. Just now we have downloaded one article. Come to this fifth entry, Curtis Guy Claire Joseph, Academic Integrity Scholarship. Year is missing, source is missing. Whenever Mendeley fails to capture the information related to the article, we need to feed the details manually. And before that, in a click of a mouse, we have all the 13 PDF files neatly arranged. So this Mendeley Reference Manager helps us to organize all our e-resources related to our research in a particular place. You need not go back to the folder. You need not rename the files. You need not search them in your system. All your PDF files, they are available at a single place. Now you can open them, you can read, you can understand, you can highlight, you can take notes. And it is arranged like a table. Author name, year, title, source. For books and book chapters, the source may not be displayed, but for journal articles or newspaper articles, web pages, the sources will be displayed. Anyhow, we will go to this fifth entry and see what is there. For that, we need to have this PDF file. Double click on that icon. The PDF file is getting opened. Meanwhile, click this info. Top rightmost corner, you have this info. Click that. And this is not a journal article. It is a book chapter. Okay. The book name is Handbook of Academic Integrity. Then the book chapter is Academic Integrity Scholarship, the importance of theory. Okay. Now what we will do, we will feed these details manually. Go back to this info. Then Mendeley has captured this wrongly as a journal article. It is not a journal article, it is a book chapter. So click this change option. Click that. Then you have different file types: bill, book section, case study, conference proceedings, journal article, magazine article, newspaper article. Ours is a book section. So select book section. Then the title of the section is Academic Integrity Scholarship, the importance of theory. Author name is Mendeley captured correctly. Year, Mendeley failed to capture. The year is 2023. So add the year manually. Just type the year. Then is it a book? Yes. What is the book title? The book title is Handbook of Academic Handbook of I will copy this and paste. Right. Anyway. So scroll down. Whatever information is available regarding this particular chapter, all those details we need to add. For example, for a book, we need to mention the publisher name. Scroll down. Publisher name is there. We need to, if it is an editor volume number. Then if it has an edition, first edition, second edition, then that. What is the chapter we are referring, chapter number? Then what is the title of the book? All these details we must feed manually, because the purpose is helping our audience to track the original source which we have cited in our work. The moment we close this icon, close this, whatever details we have added, that gets saved automatically in Mendeley. I will close this. Then it will take us there. For book, here we have added this Curtis guy, Claire Joseph is the work, author name. Then 2023 we have added. For book, the source title will not be available. In Mendeley, it is not available. Okay, so this is how we can add the information manually. Why are we adding? Because when we are generating the references must be complete. For a book chapter, author name should be there, chapter title should be there, name of the book must be there, then who is the publisher, then page numbers, all those information must be available. That's why we are feeding manually. Till this point, any doubt? Shall we move on? Hello?
Yes, sir. Very clear, sir. Very clear, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you,
Yeah,
sir.
okay, thank you.
Okay, right. Mendeley helps us to download articles from the Mendeley website, the database. Then whatever articles we have in our laptop, a system, that can be imported into the library, and Mendeley neatly organizes them. Author names, year, title, and the source is available. If Mendeley fails to capture some information, then we need to have the PDF file, then feed the details manually. Suppose I have a book. I have a book. Let us say this book. I have a book, a multivariate data analysis, and no PDF file is available. And let us assume this references is not available online. That means we need to add this manually. I'm going to refer some chapters from this book, and I will use this in my research work. We need to add the detail manually. Now go to the topmost left corner, add new. Then the last option is add reference manually. Click that. What is the reference that I'm going to add? What is the reference type? The reference type is not journal article, it is a book. So click this and select book. What is the title of the book? The title of the book is Multivariate Data Analysis. Multivariate Data Analysis. That is the title. Authors. First author is Joseph F. Hare Jr. First author. Then this book has 4 authors. Then click add another author. The second author is Barry J. Babin. Then it has the third author. Like this, we can add multiple author added. Then year, it is asking for the year. Year, it is available inside 2022. Pages, it has 811 pages. It has 811 pages. Volume, no volume. Edition, yes, 8th edition, 8. Any editors, no editors. City, we can locate in Delhi, New Delhi, because it is an Indian edition. New Delhi. Publisher, Cengage. Yes. Cengage, yes, Cengage. Then scroll down. Month, day, these are not needed for a book. Click add entry. Yes. Joseph F. Hare Jr., Barry J. Babin. I have added only 2 authors. 2022. We have to add all the authors. Multivariate data analysis. No PDF is attached because we have added this entry manually and we don't have the PDF file. Later stage, if you get the PDF file, then it will be in your system. Then you want to attach that PDF into the library so that it becomes easier for you to read. So click the entry, scroll down, you see one option called files. Click that plus sign, then it will take you to the file. Suppose it is in our desktop, and this is, let us assume this is the file. Click that, then click open, then the PDF file gets attached here. I'll close this. You can see the PDF download option. Click that once, then the PDF file gets opened. I have attached my profile. That's all. This is how we can add, or not closing. This is how we can add files manually. Why we are adding that? Because I want to quote this book in my research article, maybe for sample size. I'm using a particular statistical tool which is justified by or accepted by the scholarly community. That's the purpose we have added this manually. So you can download from databases, you can add from your system, and you can add entries manually. This is only for the works which you want to cite in your research. If you're not going to cite, then need not download, need not add manually also. This is how we can use Mendeley to download articles, to upload articles from our system, then add entries manually. Mendeley has lot of these search features and filter features depending on your need. If you want to search a particular keyword, yes, you can search. You want to filter, yes, you can filter. And the sorting options also I have demonstrated. Next, I have imported a lot of articles, but I want to have them in a separate folder. Is that possible? Yes, we can keep separate folders in Mendeley. Now come to the left-hand side. Here we have a lot of options. The folder names are called as collections in Mendeley. Collection means a folder. I have so many collections over a period of time. Last 10, 12 years, I'm using this Mendeley. Now I have collections. Academic integrity. I will click this folder, and these are the articles related to academic integrity. Then I have some articles related to should we use AMAS or PLS? Yes, there are articles related to that. Then behavioral finance theories. Yes, I have some articles related to that. My broader area of research is corporate governance. Then I have a folder titled Corporate Governance in India, and these articles are related to corporate governance India. Then in that, some of the articles are my favorite articles. Suddenly, some of my students are from marketing domain. They are doing in customer loyalty. Yes, I have a folder, customer loyalty. Then I am preparing a paper for INDAM conference. Then I have folder name INDAM long back 2022, and I have one article. Like this, we can have folders within our Mendeley software. The same folders is visible for you in your online library also. I have all my references. I have all my references. I have brought all my PDF files into this particular software. Now I want to have them in a separate folder. How to do? In your case, under collection, you will see this create collection. I have a lot of collection. Create collection. Click that. Now we will write FDP at Christu Jayanti. FDP at Christu Jayanti is the folder name. Then you have one tick mark, tick that. Then we have a folder FDP at Christu Jayanti. Now click the folder name on, it is empty. No references in this collection. Now what we will do? We will add references, add new, import files from computer, then Christu Mendeley. Then I want to add some articles related to ESG, environmental, social, and governance. Click this, select all these articles, click open. Now the folder we are working is FDP at Christu Jayanti, and the articles are getting uploaded here. Okay. Yes. If you want a PDF file, yes, you can click on the download icon. You will have the PDF file. I will go back to all references. Suddenly, I realize already I have some of the files in my library. I want to bring those files. I want to bring those files into my FDP at Christu Jayanti folder. Here you have one search icon, search keyword ESG, search keyword ESG. These articles, I'll click enter. Now you can see all these articles. This was added in 2024, 2018, 2021. And I want the first three or the second one. Then this Welt Patrick. Then this Mac Prior. I want these three in my FDP at Mendeley folder. After selecting the articles, you have this organize. Click this organize, add to collection. My collection name is FDP at Kristu. Scroll down. Yeah, it is arranged alphabetically. Then we have FDP at Kristu. I have clicked that or selected that and then click add. We will go to our FDP at Kristu folder. Then we have this new article. Michael Kapkiki, Welty Patrick, Mac Breyer. We have brought these items into FDP at Kristu folder. This is how you can bring articles into a separate folder, or you can organize the already available article into that particular folder. Any folder you can create, you can add the article, you can remove the articles from the folder. It is similar to how we organize folders in our system. But till this point, any doubt? Just organizing all our e-resources into the Mendeley library. Any doubt till this point? Any doubt? Okay, there is no doubt. Then we'll see how we can use Mendeley.
One doubt has been asked by Mr.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Okay, we will see how we can cite these articles in our research article. And for that, please follow this step very carefully. We need to install one plugin. We need to install one plugin. The name of the plugin is Mendeley Cite. Okay. Now go to your Mendeley software. Go to Mendeley software. Then you have these tools. Click these tools. Under tools, you have install Mendeley Cite for Microsoft Word. This is very, very important. Otherwise, we will not be in a position to cite the articles which are there in our library. So please watch carefully. Under tools, we have this plugin named Install Mendeley Cite. Before installing this, you need to close all your Word documents. Whatever Word document is open, you must close all the Word documents. Then click Install Mendeley Cite. It will take us to Microsoft App Store. Like our Google Play Store, Microsoft has an App Store. This plugin is available with Microsoft only. To access that, we need one Microsoft account. If you are already using any of the Microsoft products like live.com ID, msn.com ID, hotmail.com ID, any of these Microsoft products, if you are using, then you can use the same login credentials to download this Mendeley Cite plugin. If you are not having any Microsoft product, if you're not using any of them, then you have to create one account at Microsoft.com. You can use your Gmail ID and you can create one account there. Then you have to click Get It Now. It will ask for your credentials. After providing the credentials, you will be able to download the icon. I'll go back to my PPT to demonstrate that, or just to show that. Right. We are here. So get it now. Click Get It Now. It will ask for the Microsoft account credentials. I have used my Gmail ID to create an account. Give that details. Then it will say Get It Now. Get It Now. Click that. Then it will take to this plugin. Then select Open in Word. Once you click that, check this box and click open. Then it will prompt for yes or no. Do you want to open this file? Click yes. Once you click yes, you can see this icon. If you can see this icon, you have successfully installed Mendeley site plugin in your Microsoft Word. Go back to Microsoft Word. Then under References tab, you click under References tab. Then you should be seeing this Mendeley icon in your Word. I will open a Word. I will minimize this. I will share this PPT to Sir. He will share you all new Microsoft Word document. FDP at Kristu Jayanti. Open the Word file. Then references. Under references, Mendeley site. Click that. Then it will ask for login. For the first time, it will ask for login. Click to the lowermost right. Click get started. It will prompt for signing in because we are creating an interface between our library and Microsoft Word. My email ID. Continue. And password. Right. The moment we give our credentials, whatever is available in our library, that will get displayed within our Word document under this references. Now look at this. Then all references by default, all references displayed. You can see one arrow, click that arrow. Then you have recently added, recently read, favorites, my publications, then the collections, academic integrity. Then we have recently added FDP at Kristu Jayanti. Click that. And these are the references we have under this folder. Let us assume we are working on this particular paper. Okay. What about our folder? I will go to this folder, Kristu Jayanti, FDP at Kristu Jayanti. Right. Folder. We have articles. I will download a few articles for this demonstration purpose. Then how to go back? Here you can see one library icon. Click that. It will take you to the library. Then the second one, resource policy. And click. Then go to this library icon, left topmost left corner. Then the second PDF will be available. Then Journal of Financial Economics one article is there. I will put that. The articles are getting opened. Then go to the library here. Then I will need this third article, fourth article. Then it will, here you can see multiple articles opened. First one, I'm just clicking. The second one is getting opened. The third one, like this. If you want to close, the close icon is here. 1, 2, 3. You can close that. Okay, right. Corporate ESG reporting quality. Okay, I'll double click and I will open the article. Let us assume we are preparing our review of literature section. We are preparing our review of literature section. And the first article we are reading is by Susan Arvidsson and John Dume. Can close this info, scroll down. First, we look at the objective of the research. The objective of the research is how does the mean EAG reporting is done? If so, is the quality of EAG reporting improving? If it is improving, What about the EAG performance? So these are the questions they are asking. So the purpose of the article is to understand the level of EAG reporting, then the level of EAG performance. So what we will do, we will read, at least first we will read the abstract, we will understand, then we will type in our own words. So here, font, go to home, the font is 11, I will make that to 12. Then usually in APA style, what we will do is these authors, Susan Arvidsson and John Dume, conducted a study to understand the level of EAG reporting in Swedish companies. Then what they have done, they have used data from Analytics and corporateregister.com to answer these questions. And what did they found? The analysis shows that quality of ESG information in Sweden has steadily improved. Performance plateaued around 2015. So it increased, then slowly it became like a plateau, no change. And they have given suggestions and they have given other findings. Their analysis also revealed that need more research focusing on consumers, investors, and policy maker. This is for future direction. The finding, then future direction. After reading and understanding, then we will type in our own words. Okay. So some people, let us say some X, they conducted research to understand the ESG reporting levels in Swedish firms. Using the data collected from Analytics.com, the authors report a steady increase in EAG levels, then declined around 2015. They suggest for conducting more research. This is my style of writing. Maybe you can write better. More research on consumers and investors' need for ESG information in their investment decisions. That's all. Now we have, let us assume we have reviewed this article. Now who conducted, because this is not our own research, this is not our findings. Somebody else conducted research and they reported the findings. In APA style, we will add the author name and year. We will add the author name and year. What we will do, we will add the author name at the beginning of the sentence and we'll say so-and-so conducted a study to understand the ESG reporting levels. What is the article we are reading? The article title is Corporate ESG Reporting Quality. Author is Susan Arvidsson, John Dume. We must remember either the title or few words in the title or the author name. Author name is easy to remember. Susan Arvidsson. Go to the Word document. Keep the cursor in the place where you want to add the reference. Then this is the folder. We have the first entry, corporate EAG reporting quantity, quality and performance. Or we have the author name Arvidsson Susan. Click this box, check this box, check this box. Keep the cursor there, check this box. Check this box. Then you have insert citation. Here on blue color icon, insert citation. Click that. and the citation is inserted there. Citation is inserted there. Okay, now come here. Arvids and Dume conducted a study. We have added the author name. Keep the cursor on the author name. Then you have additional features. Then you can click on the author name. Click on the author name. It says display as. Now the author name and year are within the brackets. Whenever something is within the bracket, we will skip that. We want the author name to be out of the parenthesis. Only the year name within the parenthesis. Now click on the author name. Then you say display as. Click this small arrow. Here you have author and year within the parenthesis. Author and year within the parenthesis. That's what we have got. Only author name. We want author outside the parenthesis. Click that. Then select save changes. You can see here Arvidsson and Dume 2022 conducted a study. Like this, we can make edit. We should not cut. We should not copy. We must do the changes only with Mendeley. Okay, one entry added. We will go to the second. Let us say we completed one review. Then we'll go to the second article. We have the sustainable investing. I will open that article. Right. Now we don't have time to read, understand, and type in our own words. But for time being, this we'll copy directly. This is not a good practice. We should only read, understand, and reproduce in our own words. I have copied, I have pasted, and just will do this formatting. And this is not our work. It is from somebody else. We need to tell our audience from whom we have adapted this. So for time being, please do not worry about formatting. Keep the cursor at the end of the sentence, at the start of the sentence. Then what is the article we are reading? The article we are reading is Sustainable Investing with ESG Rating. Doran Avramov. Go to Word. And what is the article? Sustainability Investing with ESG Reporting. Click that article. Then come down. Click on the author name. Display as author within the parenthesis here. Save changes. Insert citation. Then you have this Avramov et al. Then we'll go to the third article. We'll close this. The third article is EAG integration and investment. EAG integration and investment. Scroll down. We have this article. For time being, I'm copying the abstract as it is. Then paste. And then later on, you do all the formatting. Then we'll keep the cursor at the beginning. The article title is EAG integration. Go to Word. This third article, EAG integration. Click the article. Click on the author name. Click on the author name. Then author year. Click that. Author parenthesis year. Save changes. Then insert citation. Van Duran et al. Investigated. You do all the paraphrasing formatting. How this EAG is being reported. Right. Now let us assume we have completed our article. Then last we'll be using the references. We need to add the references. We have included 3 entries in our work. Keep the cursor in the place where you want to add the references. Then you have citation settings. Then here you see 3 dots. Click those 3 dots. Scroll down. Then you have insert bibliography. Click that once. Click continue. Then all the references are added. Just on a click of a mouse. Then this I have used APA style because as a management graduate, most often we use American Psychological Association style. If you want to change the style, then go to this second option, citation settings, then change citation style, then whatever is your style, search for the style. Let us say American Sociological Association. Click that, update citation style, then your citation style gets updated. If you want to change citation settings, change citation style, APA style, click, then update citation style, then here you have the references. Suppose you want to insert multiple citation. For example, there is a relationship, or there is a positive relationship between ESG reporting and firms' financial performance. And this is reported, let us assume this is reported by more than one article. Go to references. Let us assume this article is reporting that finding, article 1, select that. Then second article, this also is reporting that. Then the third one is also reporting that. How do we know? We need to read, then we need to attach the tag. Positive relationship between EAG reporting and firm performance. 3 articles we have selected. Keep the cursor at the end of the sentence. Then click insert citations. Then all the 3 citations added. There is a positive relationship between EAG reporting and firm's financial performance. Dremtech et al. 2020, Lockwood 2017, Merzbanker and Strike 2017. And these 3 entries also added as a references. So here I'll stop for questions or any clarifications. Thank you.
One person asked one doubt that is there any storage limit for Mendeley? And the person asked question.
Sir, I'm sorry, sir. What limit?
Sir, is there any storage limit for Mendeley?
Yes, there is a storage limit. I think they give close to 1 GB. So our research, it may not be beyond 1 GB.
Okay.
I'll share this PPT. That exact information is available here. I have presented a comparative chart.
Because
Mendeley.
you have stored the data from 2000 to 2024. The 24 years data.
Yes, sir. Yes. See, I am an Mendeley advisor, so they gave some additional storage. Like you also can become a Mendeley advisor. They'll give more storage. Then you can use this logo. You can issue certificates. You can handle sessions. You can write to them. Mendeley, Netherlands. I do not know how I became that advisor. Somehow one day mail I have seen that you are an advisor. Thank you for associating like that. LinkedIn, there is a page. Through that you can request for Mendeley advisor. Yes, sir. You can have more storage. I don't have any storage difficulty constraints. Okay. Any questions?
Participants, so now we can ask any questions or doubts.
Sir, if there's no questions, we will conclude the section, sir, with your
Yes, madam.
permission.
Yes, madam. Yes, madam. Yes, madam.
So, dear participants, now it is the time to show our gratitude to our esteemed resource person. Thank you, sir, for your excellent section and valuable insight. Your expertise and knowledge have greatly enriched our outstanding of Mendeley software. Whatever you have learned, you have shared with us. It is excellent sections. We had it. We have learned so many things from you, sir. As you said, beginning, it is what you have said, you have achieved it, sir. We are really happy.
Thank
We
you.
learned so many things from you, sir. The Mendeley for efficient research workflow. So 100% now we are agreeing it. It is an excellent software for researchers. Dear participants, with this, I will thank our resource persons. This is a general reminder. We appreciate your active engagement and enthusiasm throughout today's sections, but we are surely looking forward your participations in day 5 of FDP schedule at the same time tomorrow. I request everyone to join on time and get lot of input from next day resource person as well. Wishing you all a great evening. See you tomorrow.
Madam, 1 minute, madam.
Sir, one second. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This
Please, sir.
session, whatever I have handled, usually we will handle as 3 sessions. Somewhere I have handled that video is available. I think Delhi University, and here at NSB also we organize one program. Participants, if they have any doubt, they can go to this channel. You can type my name, full name. This is my name, Madhivanan Periyaswamy. Then you can see these videos.
Sir, could you keep it for a few minutes, sir? The participants can
Yes,
take
yes, here you can see the
screenshot.
you can see the Mendeley icon. At your leisure, you can watch this video. Yes, comprehensively I have covered end to end. I will share the PPT also. Later stage you can learn at your own pace. This is my channel.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you all. Thank you so much. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Have a great evening, sir.
Thank you, madam. Thank you.